listening to my mom, who spoke to my father. Let's just clean things up and leave for bed before the boys wake up. After all this time I finally see the shoreless sea of tranquility, and I'll take it, yeah, I'll take it. The wasted hours awake in bed, a fortress was what we once had, a safe and steady haven. And though I think from time to time the moments I had lost my mind, I faked it, yeah, I faked it. And every time I come back home, the memories won't leave me alone, and it's aching, it's like they're right here. I was listening to my dad, who played the piano. I was listening to my mom, who spoke to my father. I was listening to my dad, who played the piano.
This life see the world through different eyes. The further I get, the closer I'll be. In every city and every sky, I'll lift the world from my shoulders, you know, and I'll see so many sights. I will taste forbidden flavors